Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice algebra math problem and we are to solve for this. So the first thing guys we want to do is to say suppose that x is equals to the root of 35 plus the root of 45 plus the root of 49 plus the root of 63 divides the root of 5 plus the root of 9 plus the root of 28. So from here we have that x is equal to, so we want to simplify each of those right here. Now we can easily express 35 to be 5 multiplied 7 plus the square root of 45 can be expressed as 5 multiplied 9 plus the root of 49 can be expressed as 7 multiplied 7 plus the square root of 63 can be expressed as 7 multiplied 9 divides, then the denominator we have this to be the root of 5 plus the root of 9 plus the square root of 28 can be expressed as 4 multiplied 7. Now from this property, if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So applying this, we have that x is equal to the square root of 5 multiply the square root of 7 plus the square root of 5 multiply the square root of 9 plus the square root of 7 multiply the square root of 7 plus the square root of 7 multiply the square root of 9 divide. Then for the denominator we have this to be the square root of 5 plus the square root of 9 plus the square root of 4 multiply the square root of 7. So from here we have that x is equal to, now there is a common term between some of them right now. The common term between these first two, we have it to be the root of 5. So we have the root of 7 plus the root of 9 plus, now the common term between these to this point, we have this to be the root of 7 and we have the root of 7 plus the root of 9 divide. Then for the denominator we have this to be the root of 5 plus the root of 9 we have it to be 3 plus the root of 4 we have it to be 2 root 7. Okay, so we have that x is equal to, now we have root 7 plus root 9 to be common here, so we're going to pick one of these. So we have this to be the root of 5 plus the root of 7 multiply the root of 7 plus the root of 9 divide. Then for the denominator we have this to be the root of 5 plus 3 plus, now we know that 2 root 7 can be expressed as root 7 plus root 7, right? So this becomes root 7 plus root 7. So from here we have this to be x is equal to the root of 5 plus the root of 7 multiply the root of 7. Now right here we have the root of 9 to be 3 divide. Then for the denominator we want to simply do this. We have this to be the root of 5 plus the root of 7 plus the root of 7 plus 3. So at this point we want to say suppose that a is equal to the root of 5 plus the root of 7 and b is equal to the root of 7 plus 3. So hence we have that x is equals to ab divide a plus b. So from here we want to simply take the inverse of this. So the inverse of this, we have this to be 1 over x, which is equal to a plus b divide ab. So we have 1 over x is equals to a divide ab plus b divide ab. So we have 1 over x is equals to a, we cancel out a, so we have this to be 1 over b plus b, we cancel out b, so we have this to be 1 over a. Now want to recall that we said that let a be equal to, so we're going to put this here, let a be equals to the root of 5 plus the root of 7 and b is equals to the root of 7 plus 3, right? So we have this to be 1 over x is equals to 1 over, we have b to be the root of 7 plus 3 plus 1 divide a, we have it to be the root of 5 plus the root of 7. So all we have to do right here for the right hand side of this equation, we want to simply rationalize. So rationalizing right here, we have this to be 1 over x is equals to 1 over, now we can easily rewrite this to be 3 plus the root of 7, and if we rationalize this we have this to be 3 minus the root of 7 divide 3 minus the root of 7 plus 1 divide, now rewriting this we have the root of 7 plus the root of 5, and if we rationalize this we multiply the root of 7 minus the root of 5 divide the root of 7 minus the root of 5. So we have 1 over x is equal to 1 multiply 3 minus root 7, we have 3 minus root 7 divide. Now for the denominator, if we apply this property that says A plus b multiply a minus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. So applying this, we have this to be 3 square minus the root of 7 all square plus 1 multiply the root of 7 minus the root of 5. We have the root of 7 minus the root of 5 divide. So applying this property to the denominator, we have the root of 7 all square minus the root of 5 whole square. So we have 1 over x is equals to 3 minus the root of 7 divide 3 square is 9 minus this, we cancel out this, we have this to be 7 plus the root of 7 minus the root of 5 divide this is going to cancel out this, we have 7 minus this, cancel out this, we have this to be 5. So we have 1 over x is equals to 3 minus the root of 7 divide 9 minus 7 is 2 plus the root of 7 minus the root of 5 divide 7 minus 5 is 2. So from here we have 1 over x is equal to, now we have the same denominator, so the LCM there is 2. So writing this, we have 3 minus the root of 7 plus the root of 7 minus the root of 5. So minus root 7 plus root 7, this is going to cancel out. So we have 1 over x is equals to 3 minus the root of 5 divide 2. So taking the inverse of this, we have x is equal to 2 divide 3 minus the root of 5. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rationalize. So rationalizing, we have that x is equals to 2 divide 3 minus the root of 5 multiply 3 plus the root of 5 divide 3 plus the root of 5. So from here we have that. So if we apply this property that says if we have a minus b multiply a plus b, this is equal to a square minus b square. So we are applying this to the denominator. So we have that x is equals to 2 multiply 3 plus the root of 5 divide 3 square minus the root of 5 all square. So x is equals to 2 multiply 3 plus the root of 5 divide 3 square is 9 minus this, cancel out this, we have this to be 5. So we have that x is equals to 2 into 3 plus the root of 5 divide 9 minus 5 is 4. So x is equals to 2 here 1, 2 into 4 is 2. So we have 3 plus the root of 5 divide 2, and this becomes the final answer. So guys, we have been able to solve this 9 square root math simplification right here, and we have the final answer to be 3 plus the root of 5 divide 2. So this is the answer. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.